Hi, welcome dear students. Do you sometimes get confused about when to add as to a word in English? Today we are talking about 16 super important uncountable nouns that never use as to show plural. Stay with me till the end to learn how to use these words correctly and speak English with more confidence. In English, some words cannot be counted like 1, 2, 3. These are called uncountable nouns. We do not add as to make them plural. These nouns talk about things that are like a whole or things that are very small pieces. Let's learn 16 of the most important uncountable nouns. Number 1. Water. We can't say waters. Water is one whole thing. For example, I drink water every day. Number 2. Milk. Milk is also uncountable. We use never say milks. For example, milk is healthy for your body. Number 3. Sugar. Sugar has many teeny pieces, but we call it one word sugar. For example, I put sugar in my tea. Number 4. Rice. Rice has many grains, but we say rice, not rices. For example, she eats rice for lunch. Number 5. Salt. Salt is another teeny thing, but it's uncountable. For example, too much salt is bad for health. Number 6. Air. Air is all around us. You can't count it. For example, we need clean air to breathe. Number 7. Bread. We do not say breads. Bread is one whole thing. For example, he likes fresh bread. Number 8. Money. Money is a thing we use daily, but we do not say monies. For example, she spends a lot of money. Number 9. Information. Information is knowledge. You can't count it. For example, this website gives useful information. Number 10. Advice. Advice is something we give to help someone, but we can't say advices. For example, many teachers give me good advice. Number 11. Furniture. Furniture means chairs, tables and beds. We say furniture, not furnitures. For example, the house has beautiful furniture. Number 12. Luggage. Luggage means your bags and suitcases. We don't say luggages. For example, his luggage is very heavy. Number 13. Equipment. Equipment means tools or machines. We cannot say equipments. For example, the gym has new equipment. Number 14. Homework. Homework is work from your school or college. For example, I finished my homework last night. Number 15. Traffic. Traffic means many cars on the road, but we cannot count them as traffics. For example, the traffic is very bad today. Number 16. Knowledge. Knowledge means that we know or learn. For example, reading books gives us knowledge. If you want to say the amount of these things, we use whole words like a piece of bread, a glass of water, a bottle of milk, a bag of rice, a little advice, a piece of furniture, some information. There are some common mistakes to avoid. People often say wrong sentences like I got many informations. So this sentence is incorrect. So now the correct sentence is I got a lot of information. For example, there is a sentence, she has a lot of knowledge. So this sentence is wrong. She has a lot of knowledge. This one is correct. Let's quickly review the 16 uncountable nouns we learned today. Water, milk, sugar, rice, salt, air, bread, money, information, advice, furniture, luggage, equipment, homework, traffic, knowledge. Remember, we never add s to these words to make them plural. So dear students, that's a great job. Now you know 16 important uncountable nouns that don't take an s when plural. Keep practicing, soon your English will sound more natural and correct. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more simple English learning videos. See you in the next class. Goodbye.